Hey model railroaders, it's the train freak again. So, as you probably saw in my last video where I went to Arkansas Traveler Hobbies today, my wife sent me a message that I got a package in the mail. So, okay, well this is going to be my very first mail call. So to help me with my mail call, I've got one of my dogs who's half asleep. That's Rosie. I've got my beautiful wife Amanda. My other dog, Jada, who is asleep, or half asleep. Those are Great Danes, by the way. Heavy, 80, 90 pound dogs, females. They don't get as big as the males. And then on the other side of the room is my son Aaron, busy on his Nintendo Switch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hand the phone over to my wife, and she is going to watch me open this package in the mail. And while I'm opening it, I will tell you where it comes from. So hold on. Okay, so here's my package. And I went ahead and taped up my address because I don't want you all knowing where I lived. And I did the same with Amy. Or Amy's address. So a few weeks ago, Sparky 107 had a live stream. And it wasn't Sparky 107 hosting it. It was actually his lovely wife, Woodworking with Amy, on there. And she held some contests, and I ended up winning one of those. So I'm going to show you what I won. Alright. So instead of fighting with tape, I'm going to use a knife. Wow, she taped that thing up good. Holy smokes, Amy. Alright. That's like some of the thickest tape. What kind of tape is that? Because it's not like duct tape. There we go. It's like, I don't even know. Oh, wow. Okay. So his antlers came off. Oh, it's not as wide as the box. Okay, so that's good to know. So this thing looks really cool.
Oh, wow.
Here's his antlers, and I've got one small little piece. You got to thank the Postal Service. They're not real good about shipping things very well.
Oh no, is it broke?
Yeah. Nothing that a little bit of wood glue and a clamp and a screw can't fix. Other than that, looky there. Good as new. How about that? And it's a magazine holder. And it's a moose.
Cool.
So, I really like this thing. So, Amy, Sparky, and Caitlin, since you helped out on the live chat, what I'm going to have to do is build a shelf in my garage where my train layout is, and put it behind me so that way when I do the live, the videos out there and eventually live chats, you'll see this every time. So, thank you so much for allowing me to participate, and I really like it. Thanks. Alright, y'all take care.